So this is exactly how to connect your PlayStation 5 controller to any TV. So what we need to do firstly is that we're going to go to the Bluetooth settings here on our TV. So I'm just going to click on all settings here, as you can see, and then scroll down. And for me it says remotes and accessories. For you it might say Bluetooth settings, just like that basically. And then in here I'm just going to click on pair accessory. And before clicking on OK, I'm going to put my PlayStation 5 controller into pairing mode, and you do so by clicking on the PlayStation logo and also this button at the same time. Keep holding until you can see this light right here. Now it's in pairing mode. So now I can click on OK here, and you can see DualSense wireless controller. This is the one that we need to connect to, so I'm just gonna select that one now. It's gonna say pairing, so we need to wait a couple of seconds for it to pair, and I'm just gonna click on pair here once again. And now you can see it should be paired here for me without any issues. And you can see I'm now able to use my PlayStation 5 controller now, which is kind of funny, on my TV here. So yeah, basically that is exactly how to actually do this.